Hi guys, it's Joel Punteric here with another Absynth tutorial. Let's check out how we can create a good white noise oscillator. First we'll do a quick outline of the technique and then elaborate on the steps and theory. Knowing how to synthesize white noise allows the most flexibility for creating a variety of noisy signals. The method I use is a simple FM oscillator with the carrier and modulator waves as noise wavetables. I've tuned it to a fixed note of 30 for consistency. Maximize the FM index. I've maxed out the voices and the randomness. And here's the result. As you can see, it's extremely flat and the spectrum is varied at every key press. Here are two spectrums. The left channel is from Logic's white noise generator and the right is from Absynth. White noise is a random signal with constant spectrum density. The spectrum contains all frequencies and is generally flat, although in time the spectrum is noisy. Now here's the noise wavetable. It contains a set of random harmonics set with random phases, and the result is a very complex wave. Now why is it that this wavetable doesn't sound like noise? The reason is because the wavetable is a single output of harmonics. The spectrum is constant, and while the harmonics are random in structure and amplitudes, they are always uniform ratios according to our base note or base frequency. That is, our base note will be transposing this spectrum. This single spectrum is constant and we perceive a sustained pitch. This is the case even with a flat spectrum, which still contains uniform harmonics. However, this only enhances the perceived pitch since all the integer harmonics are equal amplitude. White noise, however, is a spectrum that contains all frequencies, but while the spectrum should not have a perceptible pitch. To do this, we need a real-time modulation applied to the complex wavetable. Remember that all wavetables here, at their source, are a collection of harmonics that are output relatively to the given frequency. We achieve a noisy signal with frequency modulation, which produces sidebands and rich harmonics. The shape of the wave itself impacts the degree of modulation, which is why I have selected the most complex wave. To instead diverge from the wavetable's pitch, using the FM oscillator gives us real-time flexibility while we tweak the settings.